Welcome to your Wednesday weather forecast. On Wednesday morning, foggy conditions over the southern and the central parts of the country. Then we still have this high pressure system causing an onshore flow of air to the east, where we are expecting cloudy conditions with showers this Wednesday, but causing bergwind conditions to warm up the western coast, with OOSWEER yet again warming up the coast of our neighbouring country Namibia. Scattered showers along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal with isolated light showers over the interior, light rain around the escarpment and in the low velds of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, where we are expecting cloudy conditions this Wednesday. Therefore, you'll have a poor PV harvest over the eastern parts of the country, as well as here over the southern areas. Light winds around the southern and the eastern coast, later southerly winds picking up in the low velds of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, northeasterly winds blowing fresh to strong over our neighbouring country Namibia, as well as here over parts of the Northern Cape, and southeasterly winds blowing around the city of Cape Town. A foggy start today, at first in parts of the Western Cape, later bergwind conditions warming up the western coast of Fredenal, reaching a high of 28. A cold morning at first over the interior, minimum temperatures only around 5 degrees Celsius. Later remaining cool to cold, temperatures below 20 around the southern coast, only 17 in George and Plettenberg Bay after a foggy start today. Cold conditions in the morning over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape, only to the morning in KwaZulu-Natal. Aliwal North dropping to a low of -1, Kua dropping to a low of 0, later remaining cold around the escarpment, maximum temperatures below 20, but temperatures reaching 20 degrees Celsius along the eastern coast, 20 in the afternoon in East London. Scattered showers along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, especially around the northern coast. It's comfortable over the coastal areas with temperatures in the lower to mid-20s, but cool to cold over the interior, only 19 in Ladysmith and Newcastle. A cold start today over the Highveld, later remaining cold around the escarpment, partly cloudy skies with isolated showers in the low velds and southerly winds blowing at times. A rainy day in store around Thohoyandou and Sanin, comfortable with mostly sunny skies in the Bushveld, 23 in Thabazimbi and Balabala. Mostly sunny skies over the northeastern parts of northwest, a cold morning at first around Vryburg and Taung, later temperatures above 20 with 21 in the afternoon in Vryburg. Northeasterly winds causing bergwind conditions to warm up the western coast, Alexander Bay reaching a high of 30, but a freezing cold morning at first in Sutherland, later remaining cold over the southern areas, but temperatures above 20 over the central parts. A foggy and frosty start today in parts of the Free State, Bloemfontein and Forest Mid dropping to lows of 0, later remaining cool with only 20 in Bloemfontein. A cool start today over the southern parts of Gauteng, only to the morning in Vereniging, later a few clouds moving over the province with Pretoria reaching a high of only 19. On Thursday, we're expecting windy conditions yet again over the western parts of the country, causing bergwind conditions yet again, Fredenal reaching a high of 30, but remaining cool with partly cloudy skies over the northeastern areas and isolated light showers still possible in the east. On Friday, we are expecting the bergwind conditions to warm up the southern coast as well as the southern interior. Temperatures above 25 degrees Celsius expected with 26 the afternoon in George. Bergwind conditions yet again for the western coast of Fredenal reaching a high of 31, but remaining cool with cloudy conditions at times over the central and northeastern areas, Bloemfontein reaching a high of only 19. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Wednesday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
The Stage 0 Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay connected.